Cable back row. Be sure to feel that squeezing or pinching between your shoulder blades and mid-back. Cable lat pull down. It looks like you're doing a pull-up. You're pulling the bar down just beneath your chin and then back up. Don't let the bar yank on you or pull the bar too far low. That means don't go below your chin. Deadlift. This is indeed for your back. Make sure your knees aren't locked out. Make sure they're not too far bent. Keep them what I call soft. Utilizing dumbbells in front of you or a prefix bar, I want you to lower and then back up. Bring your chest down till it's parallel to the floor. Dumbbell bicep curl. Starting off facing forward, when they come up, they have a twist, and then right back down. Dumbbell hammer curl. It's just like it says in the description, a hammer. So it comes up in a hammering position and back down. Make sure you control your motion and don't let it swing.